Always somebody starts mowing when I'm going to film. Well, just like these flowers that I showed you yesterday in my community tab, this is a good time to remind those of you that don't know about where the community tab is. Just go to the top of my channel, go across, you'll see community. Under there I post polls and put photographs up every day or so, and you can interact with me. Just like I did yesterday with this formerly pretty lily. They're actually called a walking iris, apparently. Anyway, my point of reference here is that this morning they were dead. They only last for one day, sadly. Okay, thanks for joining me. I hope this has been of use to you, and I'll see you soon. Unlike the poor little walking iris lily that won't be back again until next year. That's life. See you soon.